Here is the most recent information on Tesla's intentions to construct its next gigafactory in Mexico. We'll look at well-known Tesla bull Dave Lee's amazing theory in this video, along with the reasons behind the company's decision to locate its next gigafactory in Monterrey, Mexico, as well as the main products that the facility will produce. Lee's forecast is extremely groundbreaking and may herald a new chapter in the history of the EV manufacturer. We'll also talk about the most recent changes to Tesla's ambitions, such as the possibility that the factory will grow to be the company's largest and start producing goods other than cars. Watch this space to find out more about Tesla's efforts to enter new markets and achieve its lofty objective of manufacturing 20 million cars annually. I want to encourage everyone who hasn't connected to our channel to do so by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up before we get started. Many people wanted to know why the business chose Monterrey for the location of its future gigafactory, Mexico in November 2022, as opposed to growing its presence in Austin, Texas. Elon Musk discussed the possibility of building a plant in South America during Tesla's third-quarter results call. He stated that the region is full with talented individuals who would want to work for a firm like Tesla. He added that they were considering a number of locations in the area, although at the time he gave no particulars. Huge advancements are taking place now in 2023, but why Mexico again? The executive gave a number of explanations, one of which was that Tesla is still growing in Austin, and that the new gigafactory in Mexico won't hinder that growth. In addition, the Mexico gigafactory will concentrate on new markets, especially Latin America, where Tesla is currently not well represented. The fact that there are numerous auto suppliers in the area and that Monterrey is only an hour's flight from Austin is another factor in the decision to choose the area. Furthermore, Tesla emphasizes the region's wealthy and highly qualified engineering areas when recruiting for its upcoming gigafactory in Mexico. Pay close attention to Tesla's next-generation car, which is intended for the budget-conscious consumer. For Tesla, this is a new phase as it aims to penetrate lower-end markets and create a sizable addressable market. In addition to its present markets in North America, Europe, and some regions of Asia, Tesla plans to invest in a new gigafactory and release its next generation of vehicles in tandem with its gigafactory's opening. Tesla hopes to begin production of its next generation of cars as soon as the new gigafactory's construction is completed, maybe by the end of 2024, despite the fact that the construction phase may take up to 18 months. In order to avoid sitting on a new facility, Tesla plans to begin manufacturing at that same moment. In conclusion, the company decided to develop its next gigafactory in Monterrey, Mexico, with the intention of entering new markets, especially in Latin America. To help the company enter the lower end of the market, the factory will only produce Tesla's next-generation vehicles. The timing of Tesla's investments in a new gigafactory is intended to align with the introduction of its upcoming vehicle, which may happen as early as the end of 2024. There has been exciting news on Tesla's next stage of expansion, including plans to introduce a car that opens up a massive addressable market into hitherto untapped markets. By the end of 2024, Tesla is reportedly planning to introduce vehicles manufactured in Mexico, enabling them to be purchased and operated on Mexican roads. Tesla no longer views producing 20 million cars annually as only a vision. Rather, it is a real objective that they think they can accomplish. Not far from Santa Catarina and Monterrey will be the location of the next gigafactory in Mexico. With equipment expenditures included, Tesla will invest a total of $5 billion in the factory, creating jobs for up to 7,000 workers. According to reports from the Nuevo Leon government in Mexico, Tesla might start making automobiles as early as next year. It is anticipated that the Model 3 and Model Y will not be produced at the Mexico Gigafactory, but rather Tesla's next-generation vehicle, which might be produced by the end of 2024. Executives from Tesla have revealed further information on the new plant, indicating that it may grow to be the company's largest facility eventually, generating semiconductors, software, automobiles, and batteries. Tesla may increase its initial $5 billion investment by 2 or 3 times. According to reports, Tom Zhu, the head of Tesla's manufacturing operations, is pushing for the construction of the Mexico facility to begin construction earlier than the Shanghai one, which began car, curve, and a ton of equipment. In spite of this, Tesla's precise and well-defined intentions to release its next-generation car are encouraging. But since it takes time to scale up manufacturing for a new car, Tesla probably downplayed the vehicle at the production reveal. The lowered cost of Tesla's next-generation vehicles will allow for the exploration of new markets and geographical areas, even though the company withheld certain information from the Investor Day presentation. This was probably caused by the Osborne effect, which states that revealing the precise date and schedule for producing the next-generation car may cause prospective owners of Model 3 and Model Y vehicles to ultimately postpone their purchases. The next-generation vehicle and the Gigafactory in Mexico are fascinating projects for Tesla, and it will be interesting to watch how they develop in the upcoming months and whether they are able to break their previous record. The vision-based park assist feature, which is currently being shown in several videos, was enabled by a new software update that Tesla released just last week. Last October, the company unexpectedly decided to stop adding ultrasonic sensors to its Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. These sensors were originally used for low-speed movements like parking, when they were used to identify nearby objects. This was done to give drivers a sense of how far they were from things outside of their car. Tesla has previously declared that it would switch to a completely vision-based parking system, utilizing the cameras surrounding the car to calculate distances and offer park assist features. Due to the lack of additional ultrasonic sensors, the Model 3 and Model Y vehicles were delivered without driver aids to assist with parking. This meant that features like Park Assist, Auto Park Summon, and Smart Summon would not be available until a recent software update. However, less than 6 months after the initial announcement, Tesla introduced vision-based Park Assist in its 2023 6.9 update. This feature provides visual and audio alerts for surrounding objects by using the occupancy network to predict high-definition outlines of objects 360 degrees around the car. It is important to note that Tesla Vision Park Assist is for guidance only and does not replace a vigilant driver. While it appears that this update does not enable Smart or Auto Park Summon, it does bring back the feature that allowed drivers to see their distance from different objects when parking their cars. Social media users have been sharing videos showcasing the new features, and the preliminary outcomes seem a little uneven. We appreciate you viewing Wall Street Games, a video update about the future Gigafactory in Mexico for Tesla. It's thrilling to watch Tesla achieve its lofty target of generating 20 million cars annually. It is anticipated that Tesla's new facility in Santa Catarina, Mexico, will be its biggest yet and produce automobiles, batteries, semiconductors, and software. We're excited to see what the future holds for Tesla, because this plant has the potential to grow in one of the biggest for the company, and there's also a chance that more gigafactories in international markets might be opened. Remember to hit the notification and subscribe to our channel. Ring to receive the most recent information and updates. I appreciate you seeing for a next-generation vehicle, which might be produced by the end of 2024. Executives from Tesla have revealed further information on the new plant, indicating that it may grow to be the company's largest facility eventually, generating semiconductors, software, automobiles, and batteries. Tesla may increase its initial $5 billion investment by 2 or 3 times. According to reports, Tom Zhu, the head of Tesla's manufacturing operations, is pushing for the construction of the Mexico facility to begin construction earlier than the Shanghai one, which began car production a year after work began. With a focus on densely populated areas, Tesla is anticipated to construct multiple gigafactories in new markets, with this one being the first. Because the Model 3 and Model Y were too costly for domestic manufacture, Tesla will incur costs. Benefit: increasing the market accessibility of their automobiles. It's possible that Tesla will build a few additional gigafactories similar to this one in the Middle East and South Asia, Central Asia, North Africa, etc. Now more than ever, Tesla is on track to make 20 million cars annually, and the company is genuinely entering a thrilling period. Tesla has announced that it will invest $5 billion to develop its next gigafactory in Santa Catarina, Mexico, according to the governor of Nuevo Leon. Up to 7,000 workers are anticipated at the plant, which may begin making automobiles as early as next year.